Hey guys, Aaron with Quality Service today out of Mebane, North Carolina. Today I wanted to go over real quick, why is my hose spigot leaking down the wall? Alright, so these frost-free hose spigots, in a lot of cases, it's hard to read, but right here on the back plate, on this Woodford brand, it says remove hose or faucet may freeze and bust. So is what happens when your faucet's leaking down the wall is this thing actually shuts off back here and it extends through the wall. You need to make sure it's installed properly, a wedge or something tipping it outward. Unhook the hose, vacuum breaker allows the water to drain out of it. If you don't unhook the hose, the water freezes inside here. And I'm going to try to show you this. There's a split in that thing. I think you can see it. There's a crack right there. So as what happens is when you turn this hose faucet on, you got a hose connected, back pressure pushes it out and it leaks inside the wall. If you have a slab house, this is in the house, it can cause a lot of damage. I'll kind of show you real quick. Take my Nipex. How this thing actually works. So there's your shut-off seal in the very back end of that thing. This is called a frost-free hose bib. It's supposed to not freeze. If you leave the hose connected to it, it will probably freeze and bust in the wall for the simple fact the water can't drain out of it. So that's why that thing freezes and busts and drains all over your wall like that. One thing you can do to help prevent just more protection is you can get one of those little foam covers from your box stores. Those things help prevent this thing from freezing a little bit more. Just a little good tip for you today. I'll make a video sometime on how to replace these things. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and hit the subscribe button for me. Really appreciate it.